Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Whose bottle is this? Whose bottle is this? Is it mine? Means it's mine bottle, yours, it's yours, hers or it's her bottles. Whose bottle is it? So in the same way, the second picture you see, this is the pencils and two cats are fighting over this. The first cat says that it's her pencil and the second cat says that it's her pencil. So you see that cats are fighting and I am confused. Which water bottle is mine? This is mine, the first one is mine, or the second one is mine, or if the first one is mine, so whose the second bottle is it? Maybe it's yours or maybe it's hers. So see, let us, what is the definition of possessive pronouns? So possessive pronoun, let's see the definition. Possessive pronouns usually shows the ownership or belongings. So what are the possessive pronoun? It shows the ownership or the belonging. So today we are going to learn how to claim that's our, what's our. Today we will learn how to claim that what's our, what's yours, what's hers, what's there. Fine. So like to show the ownership of the things or to see the ownership of the things, we use possessive pronouns. We have discussed definition already. So let's see some examples like mine, mine. This book is mine. So mine shows ownership. So this is a possessive pronoun. Possessive means to show the ownership. Yours means this is a your water bottle. It's your pencil. Is this your pen? So yours shows the ownership. This is a possessive pronoun. The same way his, that bag is his. His shows possessive pronoun and it shows the belonging. That bag is belong to that boy. His, hers, like the red scarf is her. Hers is a possessive pronoun. The cat, her, its pa. It's right. Its pa. The cat, hers, its pa. So it means that it's without apostrophe. It is used as a possessive pronoun, right? We have another it. We have another let's see. There is another word that is also we pronounce it at its, but that is a different thing. And this it's without apostrophe is a different thing. It is. This is so. This is with apostrophe. So you see, I'm just trying to write its. So this is its. It is a different thing. It show that it means it is. It this is with this comma, with this apostrophe, we say this it is. But without comma, without apostrophe, we say it's. So this it shows possessiveness or shows the possessive pronouns or belonging. So this is a, you see that there is a clear difference between its with comma, that means it is a cat, but it means it shows the belonging of someone, right? So ours, the project is ours. So ours shows possessive pronoun. Theirs, it shows as theirs. These seats are theirs. That shows the possessive or belongs, means these seats are belongs to them. So there is a possessive pronoun. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Your is a possessive. His, her. So what are they? They are possessive pronouns, and there is a clear difference between its and it is. It's with the comma. They pronounce it same. It's. But this is without comma and this is with the comma. This without comma shows possessive pronoun and this with the comma we use it as it is. So let's see some quick quiz here. You see a quick quiz on my screen. There are some fill in the blanks. You guys have to fill in the blanks. Write down your answer below in the comment and I should love to see your answers. I found on the table are they. I found these on the table are they. So what will be the answer here? Right. Are they yours? Maybe yours. Yes. The soccer team won. This trophy is theirs. This trophy is theirs. Okay. The dog wagged. So for what possessive pronouns we use to show the belonging for the animals? I think so. It's that we learned the last here we see that the cat hurt its paw. So in the same way we will use here The dog wagged its tail. Here will become its. I'm trying to write it with my pencil, so I hope it will write well. It's so it's trying to write as it's. So it's, yes, the dog wagged its tail means the dog is moving his tail. The soccer team won this trophy as theirs. This trophy is, so the answer is there. THEIRS. It's very hard to write with this pencil, but I'm still trying to give you answers. And in the first part are yours. Here will become yours. This let me show you this here. This yours. This your will be the first answer, right? So we have seen the answers. The first answer is yours. The second is there, and the third is. So comment down your score too below in the comments. So now you can claim that what's yours, repeat what's theirs, and never mix up its with its again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment. That lesson was mine to keep. See you next time. See you in the next lesson.